Hello YouTube, welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Scanners. Hello, welcome to Tommy's video on talking about what he has learned about last night of listening and what he thought of last night of graduating from the Ivy Tech graduation. And I gotta tell you guys something. Holy cow, that was neat. Just saying. I just feel really happy that I got to be part of that. And also you guys, lately I've been trying to look up some new radio scanner frequencies to listen to, like whenever I go to the Indiana State Fair, like whenever I can. I also been looking around like at the different areas like for instance, I've been looking at stuff to get ready for my trip to on my cruise in 2 months, which I feel really excited about. And also let you guys know, let you guys also know about some other stuff which is happening, which is coming up, which I feel really excited for. It's that another thing this weekend is Mother's Day, and I'm wanting to wish all the mothers out there a happy Mother's Day, and from my family to yours. And also you guys, there is like different stuff. So also a couple things which I'm feeling really excited for on my cruise. I'm feeling really excited for on taking a couple of videos on there. I'm also excited about looking around like at what the Carnival Glory has to offer. And I'm also excited about going down to Florida, to one of my favorite counties ever, which is Brevard County. Which honestly, you guys, I am really looking forward to this thing coming up, because this cruise is going to be one of the greatest cruises, I feel like. Now also once I get down there to Brevard County, I'm going to be showing you guys like a lot of stuff happening. Like I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of our rest stops we're going to be stopping at. I'm going to be showing you guys like a lot of different areas that they have. Now, also, whenever we go to Cocoa Beach, I'm going to try to take that with us, so you guys can go check that out. Because I gotta tell you guys something. I am looking forward to this. Now, also another thing which I'm feeling really excited for and looking forward to is that I get to, on this cruise, that there are a couple things which I'm hoping that Cam is our cruise director, and if he isn't, that's okay. So also, like, looking around like at the different places that they have, which I feel really excited for. And also, like looking around like at the, like you guys also have like many different areas, which I think is really kind of interesting. So like so like the first area which I think is really kind of cool, which I'm really am excited about on this cruise, is that I get to go check out Bimini, Bahamas. I've never been there. I'm super excited about going there. I'm also excited about going to Nassau and checking out the Atlantis, Bahamas. I'm excited about to see like what kind of different stuff they have there. I've been hearing that Nassau has like a new cruise port there, which I feel really excited for. And in another thing which I'm feeling really excited for is that whenever we go down there to like our area where we're going to. Now I gotta remember, like on this cruise, I just gotta remember that their radio frequencies might be a little different. They might be. So that's what I got to remember, is that if I'm going to take my DM1701 with me, and I'm going to listen to those radio scanner frequencies on there is going to be a lot of changes, which I think is really kind of interesting, kind of not interesting. Now, also another thing which I'm feeling really excited for is that this year I get to go to Holiday World. Now, I just feel really grateful that I got to see Aaron Tipton last week, because I gotta tell you guys something. That concert right there was so cool. And Belterra did a really good job at hosting that. The stage was really cool. The different areas were really cool that they had it. They had really neat places around there. My seats were really good too. Now, another thing which I really do recommend everybody checks out whenever you guys go down there to Tennessee, is that check out the local radio scanner feeds, because honestly, like whenever you guys go down there to Tennessee, you guys do not think about what kind of radio scanner feeds they got. Now, I don't know which way we are going. That's up to the GPS, which I like either way. Like, I like either way that we go. I bet you we're probably going to go take 64 most of the way. And also another thing which I feel really excited for and looking forward to is that just spending time with my family. Because honestly, you guys, I gotta spend time with my family. Now, also another thing which I feel really excited for and looking forward to is that getting ready to try out this volunteer opportunity with Sue Graham. I am honestly feeling stoked. I'm feeling excited. And also another thing which I'm feeling really excited for and looking forward to is that they're different places they got and they're different areas. I got so much different areas, which is like looking around, okay? Which I honestly feel really excited for. So, so also, so another thing which I'm feeling really excited for is this Mother's Day. I don't know where we're going yet. So I hope everybody has a great day. In YouTube, I I hope everybody enjoys their day. I hope everybody thinks about what they done. And I hope everybody, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow.